Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. This is another unboxing from Tech Open, this time with the Manfrotto Pixi Evo 2. So I basically bought this tripod because it's compact and it seems pretty sturdy. You can use it with DSLR, smartphone cameras, compact cameras, whatever you want. And it's a really good solution because the legs come out and whatnot. So one of the advantages of this Manfrotto tripod is that it has the 90-degree angle turn. So if you want to turn your camera to 90 degrees, this one is prepared for that. And the legs also stretch out. You can extend the legs so they can have more stability, and it goes almost flat to the surface where you're laying this. So it's a really good solution for vloggers, guys. So keep watching. You're gonna like this. So let's get to the unboxing, guys. If you're interested in buying this Pixi Evo 2, you can check out the links in the description. I will leave the links in case you want to get the same one for yourselves. Let's get this open. So it comes with this protection here. And here it is. Nothing else in the box. Nope. Get this out of the way. Here it is, guys. Manfrotto Mini Tripod Pixi Evo 2 Black. So, rotating wheel, aluminum ball head, locking knob. You have a little locking knob right here, so you can tilt the camera. Here you can see it here with the type of this DSLR. This goes really flat. It goes almost flat, so you can put heavier cameras on this. It'll be more or less stable. So okay, so total height 20 centimeters. Takes up to 2.5 kilograms. And two section. I guess that has to do with the legs extending. Pixi Evo. Okay, leg angle selector, aluminum legs, leg extension button, 5 leg positions, portrait position, so that's what I was talking about. You can tilt the camera 90 degrees to the side so it can put it like in portrait mode, from landscape to portrait. And you can see it goes really low, compatible with DSLRs, compact cameras, cameras, I already said that. And you can get an adapter for this, and you can use like those smartphone holders. You can use it with your smartphone. So I was waiting for this to arrive, and it finally got here. Now let's open this up. So I can pop this open without having to tear the plastic. Not sure if I'll be able to. Okay, got it. It's open. So I didn't have to cut through the plastic. Okay. And here it is. So, take this out. I believe there's nothing in here. Oh. So you just have this little manual here. Nothing much to see. And here you can see the diagrams, which it's kind of just to explain how it works. So you can see you can slide the legs open. You have to press this little button to slide the legs open. Leg angle selector, so you can. This is for you to put it in the almost flat position or more upright position. And here it says suggested lens alignment with Pixi Evo leg. Portrait position, best suit is recommended to use on a flat surface. Yeah, to give more stability, I get it. And here is what's on the package. Nothing more to see. And here's the camera, here's the tripod, I mean. Just open this up, so this goes like this. So you can get this position, and you have to actually, on the other models you have a little push button. This one is actually a rotating button. You have to tighten this like this. So you can put it like so, up like this. You can change the angle. Here you have the tightening knob to tighten to your little screw thingy here on your camera. Okay, so in order to get this flat, you would have to push this little knob right here. Let me see if I can show you. It's kind of dark in here. I don't know if you can see the little knob here, guys. So this is upright position, and if you slide it this way, it'll unlock so you can get it totally flat. So that's like that. So for stability, they recommend it to go this way, okay? Especially if you have like a DSLR with the lens on it. And then if you want to, you can just open the legs up like this. Like so. It'll get even more stability out of this position, so it doesn't tip over. And this is what it looks from the underside. You can see this, it's really well built. You can feel it's sturdy. And it's also adjustable, so you can either have it, you can adjust it to any angle you want. You can have this little clicking. So it has various levels. You can see them here. Let me see if I can show you. You can see there's 1, 2, 3 levels right here. 4, I guess. The last one is 4. And this just slides in like that. And you can close this, and you can actually use this to vlog like this. So instead of having like, even if you're using with the smartphone, instead of holding your smartphone in your hand, which can easily fall out of your hand, you don't want that to happen, you can use this. And you can actually tilt the ball head like that, like so, and you can use this for vlogging. See? So this is perfect, compact, more or less. You know, you can easily slide this in your backpack or your bag. It doesn't occupy that much room. You can see it practically the size of my hand, so perfect addition to my setup. Now I'm going to show you another item I have here that I bought to go with this. You can basically use this for vlogging, just for your smartphone holder to attach it here to hold it in place. There are the Gorilla Pods that you can also use from Joby, but I don't have one actually, and the simple reason is I've heard other reviewers say that the knuckles on each one of those little spheres that hold the legs, that they kind of lose strength over time. They get kind of flimsy. So I prefer this one. I know you can't clamp this onto anything like you can with the Joby Gorilla Pod, but I just think this one looks a little bit more streamlined. And since I'm kind of like I like design, I pay attention to design a lot. I think it's better designed, you know, to take on the go. And you know, it's just simple preferences. Yeah guys, so this is basically it. If you're interested in getting this, don't forget to check out the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you want to get all the latest videos in first hand, don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you like the video, don't forget to also give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And leave your comments as well, guys. What do you think about this? Do you think it's a useful tool? Would you buy this? Would you not buy this? You know, just leave your opinions. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.